If you want to know how to fix your following too quickly problem on TikTok, you've came to the right place. So let's open our TikTok, and firstly I wanted to show that it's easy for me to follow people. As you can see, I'm just clicking on plus near the avatar and I can easily follow. So I fixed this problem really easy. And in order to do the same, all we need to do is just simply click on profile in the right bottom corner. So we'll come to our profile page. And from this page here, we need to click on more in the right top corner on these three lines, and then go to settings and privacy. So from this page, we need to scroll down to find support and about area, and then just go to report a problem. So after that, we need to find the necessary topic. So let's scroll down for a little to find something which is suitable as for us. And here we can find follow, likes and comments topic. So let's click. And after that, we need to find the follow area. Click on follow. And then just click on the following too fast. So after that, we need to click on no. As you can see, we have like a simple answer, but we need to click on no. And then just click on need more help. So after that, we need to write something like this in this field. So we need to write like, hello, I cannot follow people. It says, you are following too fast, but I'm not. Help me, please. And then just click on submit. Now all we need to do is just to simply wait for a little until the TikTok team will receive our message, and probably they will help us and they will fix this problem after maybe a few hours. But if you try to read the response, we can find you have been following account too quickly, you may have received the alerts, you are following too fast. Try again later, please again in 24 hours. It means that we can also try it in a day, and then everything could be fixed automatically. But probably after this report, you will receive this option a little bit faster. So this is a way of how can we fix this problem. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.